Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software prerequisites. This gets you straight into action. Identify whether your keyboard is compact or laptop style, then find a physical FN lock key or the FN plus S combo. Press it once to toggle. Next, open your OS keyboard settings. On Windows, use Settings Keyboard. On Mac OS, use System Settings Keyboard. And on many machines, check BIOS/UEFI for FN behavior. Once done, you'll be ready to remap keys or change firmware options. Now you perform the core remapping steps. Install an OS tool, Power Toys on Windows or Carabiner on Mac OS, and create bindings that send multimedia volume up/down directly, so you no longer need FN. If you use a programmable keyboard, flash firmware like QMK or configure via, change keycodes for the top row keys to audio volume. Make sure to back up current layouts, then test each key. Once mapped, test with media apps and reassign modifiers if any conflicts appear. Finish by locking in changes and verifying real-world behavior. Save or export your remap profile, and if applicable, reflash firmware to persist settings. Test volume keys across multiple apps and ensure system audio devices are selected correctly. If things go wrong, first rebind the keys in your tool, update keyboard drivers, then reboot. If the issue persists, reset the keyboard to defaults and reapply a minimal mapping. One key troubleshooting tip: check for conflicting hotkey software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.